right now we're in really hard times with the economy and all that. Do you feel like that has affected your workflow in any way? Are you seeing any difference in less work, more work?
Um, thanks God, I'm good.
You're good.
I always write like everything that I do monthly and compare with the other year, with last year, and try
Okay.
to compare and see which one are the months that are low and higher.
Okay.
But I mean, it's for me, it's
It's good.
good. Yes,
Yeah.
it's not that bad actually.
Good. Well, let me
I'm
tell
doing
you
good.
that you are in a very unique position right now, and I think you're in that position because of like the work that you do is very unique
Hmm.
and it's very niche. Because like I'm looking around and like I know a lot of other artists and
Hmm.
they're struggling.
Yeah.
A lot of artists are struggling. They
No,
they don't have
I know.
work and
I
it's
can even imagine, like, I know I have friends in other studios,
yeah,
and I know
it's tough.
it's
It's
tough.
becoming tough. So I think that's what I'm saying. Like I think it's really important when you are an artist to find that thing that makes you unique, because that's what's gonna give you the value,
Mm-hmm.
that it's gonna make you authentic. And I think in that authenticity is where you can be safe in like moments like this where like people are
Mm-hmm.
struggling and yet you're doing
Yeah.
well.